Good to go?
Yep. You're not going to like me very much this morning.
You're scales.
No, you're going to do a clapping rhythm.
Oh, okay. All right.
I figured that...
Well, it could be worse, could be scales.
Oh. What am I going to do with you? Yeah, there so you can see it. I will
put it up on the thing.
pop that up. Yep. So that's that and do that. Okay. Because I figured that 6/8 time signature is sort of on the tricky side, just getting that.
Have I got something in 6/8, have I?
Well, you've got something in 12/8, which is the
I thought I recognised that.
short and sweet.
Oh, right.
So 6/8 is basically like 12/8, but with 2 dotted crotchets in the bar rather than 4.
Right. Okay.
So in your short and sweet piece, just imagine you've got a bar line halfway through.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Oh, yeah, right,
Yeah.
because it's the...
Yeah, 12.
Well, the bottom one tells you what the notes are, and this top one tells you how many there are, doesn't it?
Yeah, the bottom number
Yeah.
tells you the type of note value. Yep.
Okay, yeah.
Yep.
So the bottom hasn't changed, it's the top that's changed.
It's the top, correct.
Right, okay.
That's right.
Yep.
So what I've got there...
Just a bit of interest.
Yep.
Does that mean that this is slower than 12/8?
No.
Right.
Nope.
So the number
Not at all.
of notes in the bar is not indicative at all as to how fast or slow a piece is.
Number of notes in the bar or
Sorry.
beats in the bar?
Well, what's this? Is this beats or is 6 beats or notes?
Beats.
Number of beats in the bar then.
Yeah. Okay. No, it doesn't necessarily mean 6/8 doesn't necessarily mean it's slower than 12/8.
Right.
It's just more to do with the accentuation, because in 6/8 you've got 2 dotted crotchets, so you'd be feeling 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's equivalent of 2/4. 1, 2, 1, 2. But 12/8, because there are 4 dotted crotchet beats in the bar, would be the equivalent of 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So it's a feeling of 4 is slightly different than 2.
Okay.
As is 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
So how do you know this has got 3 dotted crotchets in it?
2 dotted crotchets.
Or 2 dotted crotchets? Why can't it have 3 or 4?
If it had 4 dotted crotchets, you'd have 12 quavers in the bar, which would be too many for 6/8.
Okay. No, I'm not really following that, but okay. All right. Yeah, we'll just carry on then, right.
Okay, hang on. Right underneath, that'll show up on the... So 12/8 down here is the equivalent of that, 4 dotted crotchets. What is 4 dotted
So
crotchets?
hang on, so just counting the beats, right? So the dot means that the first one's half as long, right?
Yeah. They're grouped in lots of 3. This is where you get your 12/8 from. Because there are 12 quavers in the bar. They're grouped in the dotted crotchets.
Okay. Yeah.
But the 12 comes from 12 of them. And the 8 comes from the fact that they are that value, quaver value.
Which is half a note, right? Or
which is
half a crotchet?
Half a crotchet.
Right.
Yep. So with your dotted crotchet, that means you've got a crotchet plus
a
half a crotchet, which
For a
is
total
your
of 3 beats.
quaver, which gives you 3 quavers in total.
Yeah.
Yep.
Which is one of those
Which
things
is one of those things there.
there. Right.
Yep.
Okay.
That's right. So you can have 12/8. I'll just get rid of that for not getting ourselves confused. You can have, a bit of a theory lesson, you can have 9/8, which is 3 dotted crotchets. So you end up with 9 quavers.
Right. We have 10/8.
No.
Right. Okay.
You have 6/8, which is your 2 dotted crotchets. Dividing into 3 gives you your 6.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that okay? Sort of.
I think so.
Yep.
So
This is what we call compound time because the beat divides into 3. So you've got a dotted crotchet beat which divides into 3 quavers. That's different from, let's have a little bit of space here, something like this, 2/4. We've got 2 crotchet beats, but they divide into 2 quavers. And that is called simple time.
okay. So 2 is simple, but 3 is compound.
The way the beat divides, yeah. Just because you have something in 3 doesn't mean it's compound time.
Oh, okay.
Because I could have, let's get rid of the 2/4. I could have 3/4. 3 crotchet beats in a bar. They are still dividing into 2. And that's actually a good example of the difference. Because if you check out the number of quavers in 3/4 and in 6/8, there are 6 quavers in total, aren't there? You've got,
Yep.
and in 3/4 they're grouped in 2s.
3 lots of 2 versus 3 lots of 2. Yeah.
Yep, that's right. So it would sound different where the accents are coming, if you like, because I'm just going to put a little dash under there. That's still showing up. Quite, hang on. Let's make that go a little bit higher.
Jesus.
There we go. So I can do, these are where my accents are coming. And my accents in here are coming there. So in 3/4, it's going to sound like 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So you can definitely hear a 3. In 6/8, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm feeling 2 in a bar in there.
Yep.
That's 6/8 is called compound duple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because there are 2 dotted crotchet beats in the bar.
Okay. Yep.
Yep. And 3/4 is simple triple. This is getting into some advanced theory here, but basically just to show you the difference, and you can hear the difference. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and you're feeling 3 in a bar.
Yep.
6/8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1 and 2 and
Yep.
and you can feel 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yep. Happy with that.
Sorry, we got slightly tangential there, but there we go. So I will, actually I'll just leave that there. Let's take that down a smidgen so you can see that there. Okie pokey. We are now going to clap. Put that there. The rhythm, the 6/8 rhythm. This is designed to help you with the counting for short and sweet, which is in 12/8.
Right. You think I was doing a good job of it?
Well, it's just to get that feeling of the 1 and 2 and being able to sort of recognise that sort of feel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Okay. All right.
Okay. So I've written in the counting for the first one.
Yep.
Obviously haven't for the second one.
Okay.
But we'll do the first one together.
All right.
Huzzah! So it could be 6 beats in.
I'm clapping it, right?
We're clapping it. Yep,
All right,
we
okay.
are indeed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Aha! Now there's a rest on beat 2.
Well, it's a Y, not a rest.
It's a quaver rest. It's my badly drawn quaver rest.
Okay, so that's a rest, that's a rest, that's a rest.
Yep.
That's a rest, rest
Yep.
there. Okay, all right. Okay.
Yep.
All right, okay, yep.
Okay. Do you prefer counting 1 and a 2 and a?
Well, I was 1 and a 2 and
1 and a 2 and a there.
Because
Okay.
otherwise I'll get confused with finger numbering and things.
Okay. All right. We'll go 1
Because
and
I've had problems with it before. I go 1, 2, 3, and hang on, I'm going to play that finger 4 and...
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just...
Although it's easier for me to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but yeah.
I'll just write in underneath there 1 and 2 and just so you've got the
That's what I've been doing
the
with
feeling
the,
that the
thing. So
that's fine. Yep. Okay. Here we go. I'll count 1 and a 2 and a. All right. So 1 and a 2 and a 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 1 and a 2 and a. That's right. Should have mentioned before. For the rest, just do that.
Yeah, right. But if it's not a rest, I hold my hands together.
For a longer one,
Yeah,
like
right,
the 2 and a. You can do the sort of...
Okay, all right, yep.
Yep.
All right.
Yep. Cool. Okay, let's try that one more time.
Right.
So 1 and a 2 and a 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 1
1
and a
2
and a. And let's just try counting it in the 6 just for fun.
All
All right, then we'll do the one underneath. So 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, cool. Okay, now the counting's not underneath the other one. Let's give it a crack.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Here we go.
Right.
Do you want it in 1 and a or 1, 2, 3?
Well, just go 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. So I count us in. 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Now I'm going to get really mean. Pick a line. You're going to clap that line, and I'm going to clap the other one at the same time. Okay. All right.
Do a rhythmic duet.
I'll do the first one.
You'll do the first line. Okay, I'll do the bottom. I will count us in. I'll count through in 6. Probably easier. Okay. So 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Ha-ha. And so I've got a clap on beat 3.
But I don't.
But you don't.
I hold, right, okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is where it gets a little bit
All right.
more complicated.
Concentrate, right,
Yep.
okay, yep, all right.
Okay, so 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good.
Right.
That's it. Yeah. Rhythmic clapping like that is really good. It means you've got to focus really solidly. And if you're ever tired and you want to wake your brain up real quick, clap some rhythmic patterns.
Right.
Yeah. Cool.
Alrighty.
Very good. Not surprisingly, that will lead us into
Short and sweet.
short and sweet. Yep. Indeed it shall.
This is proving to be remarkably not short.
But still sweet.
Well, I don't know.
Oh, hopefully.
Alrighty.
Okay.
So where do you want me to start? What do you want me to do?
Let's start at the top.
Okay.
Yep.
Right. So that's going to be... gonna do that.
Short and sweet. If we need it. Cool. Alrighty.
And 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and
Let's go for your off.
right.
Yeah. Cool. Actually, your counting's pretty good there.
Is it?
Yeah. No, you were doing that first bit nicely. The only gnarly bit is that. They still tend to sound even. Like that.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So you really want to make that.
Is that what you're doing there? Is what you're doing there right, or is that what I'm doing?
That was what you want. Long, short, long. Because it's exactly like if we take the first note away, right? So we pretend we don't have that. 1 and a 2 and a. Long, short, long, short. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. It's exactly the rhythm that you've been doing up above.
So why aren't I getting it right there?
Probably because it's a bit trickier because you've got the chords.
1
and a 2.
1 and a
2. Yeah. Got to get off the G pretty quickly. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a
1 and a
2 and a
3 and a 4 and a like that.
not quite.
1 and a
Yeah. So don't wait too long. 1 before you see that turns it into even because you're waiting between that note and that note. Waiting. And it turns them into a more even sound. Whereas you want to, after the G, you want to get boom straight onto your next one. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a, rather than going 1 and a extra, 1 and a extra, 1 and a extra, 1 and a extra.
I think it's the counting that's actually putting me off there. Maybe.
So they're still even.
Oh, okay, all right.
Yep.
Okay, all right.
You can try your elephant. Elephant, elephant, elephant.
Elephant, 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 elephant.
Try it a bit slower.
Elephant,
elephant,
elephant, elephant, elephant.
Make your thumb slightly lighter as well, if that might help.
Elephant, 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 elephant.
Elephant. So on the font is the G.
Elephant,
elephant, elephant, elephant. Yeah. What could be another word? 49, 49, 49.
49,
49, 49, 49. That's it. 49, 49,
49, 49, 49, 49.
49, 49, 49, 49.
49, 49, 49, 49.
How strange.
What was that?
That clicked immediately, just on the different word.
Right.
49, 49, 40. Maybe they're more 49 sort of structured rather than elephant. You can kind of roll through it, whereas 49, 49, and on the 9 is your 49, 49, 49, 49, 49. No, straight away you got it.
Right.
Okay, so 49, 9 is your G.
Yeah, except it's probably best to write that as 4T9.
Okay. Yes, I can see that. I'll go for the syllables. 4 T
T.
9.
Yeah.
And that's your 9.
Yeah.
49,
Yeah.
49, 49, 49, 49.
Would that work for the ones at the top as well?
Yeah.
4.
So you'd have 49, 49, 49.
49, 14, 49, 14, 49, 14.
It would, you just got to know where it comes in, because your 9 would be your, because you think 49,
Oh, so I'm not starting with
49,
9.
49, 49.
I see, right.
You're actually fine with that.
Right.
I don't necessarily
Don't
think we need
confuse
to.
that, right,
No,
okay.
no, you're
Right.
much better with that there. So it's just getting that long, short, 49, 49, 49, 49, 49, 49, 49.
49,
49,
49,
49,
49,
49, 49, 49.
49, 49, 49, 49,
49, 49, 49.
49, 49.
Try it with your left hand. Just in from where it comes in.
Oh, so you don't mean play the top line on the left hand, you just
No,
mean play the right.
49,
Okay,
49,
so it's,
49,
that's G,
49.
so it's there. So it's going to be 49,
49, 49, 49. 49, 49, 49. And you can still think
49,
49, 49, 49, 49.
Back to here. 49,
49, 49, 49, 49, 49, 49.
So I got this bit right because I was trying to. Yeah, because that there doesn't actually occur on a 9 or anything. It actually occurs between the 9 and the next 4, doesn't it?
The little grace note, the little,
Yeah.
it fits in just
Yeah.
before that.
Yeah, I spent a bit of time trying to focus in on just getting that timing right for that.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So now your job will be to make sure that your 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and seamlessly swaps into 49, 49, 49, 49, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 49, 49, 49.
Right.
Yep. We shall try that. Hey, hey. Let's go from third line.
Okay, so it's going to be done there.
2 and 3 and 2 and 3.
This is 2 and a right, and 2 and
3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 49, 49, 49, 49, 49, 49, 49, 49. 49, 49,
49.
First one was better. Just listen really carefully that your 9 and the G are exactly together.
Right.
49, 49, 49.
So 49,
49, 49,
49.
Yeah, now you're pausing on the 9. You're going 49, pause, 49, pause,
okay,
which turns it into 4.
Right, so
49, 49, 49, 49, 49. That's better.
back down to here.
Yep.
49,
49, 49.
49.
Keep going.
1
and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a
4. I think so.
That's right, yep.
4, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a
Yep.
1 and a 2 and
and
a 3 and a 4 and a 1.
just up to you see.
1 and
a 2 and
a 3 and 3
Yeah.
and right.
Yeah, that's right. Better. Yeah, that's cool. 49, 49, 49, 49, not 49, pause, 49, pause, 49, pause.
Yeah.
You're going to write in brackets, pause. Yeah. 49, 49, 49, 49, 49, 49.
Yeah.
Let's try it one more time.
49,
49, 49, 49.
Down to 49, 49, 49.
Yeah, and to help with that feeling of that long, short, long, and the stress being on the first of the pair, keep the G slightly lighter. So you're hearing, that one's lighter.
Yeah.
If I make it the same weight, that may tend to feel more even.
Right, yeah, okay.
In fact, it does.
It does, yeah, right.
Almost makes you want to, yeah.
Okay.
9, 49, 4. Close. 14,
49,
49, 49,
49.
Yeah, is your 9 going exactly when you say 9?
I'll probably not when you asked me the question. 49, 49, 49, 49.
Yeah, you're going 14, 9, pause, 14, 9, pause. 14, 9, 14, 9, 14, 9, 14, 9. Yep, that's it. 49, 49,
49, 49.
Yeah, in fact, give an extra emphasis on the word 49, 49,
49,
49, 49, 49. Yeah, that's it.
All right.
Yep. So we'll put a little accent under there. 49, 49, 49, 49. And that'll give you that feeling of 3. 49, 49, 49, 49.
Alrighty.
Cool.
Cool, that's me, is it?
Yes, it is.
All right.
You now know about simple and compound time.
Well, I've heard them.
Well, that's all right.
Yeah.
That's getting into slightly more advanced time signatures, but that's cool.
Cool.
And good with the clapping.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Very good.